Good evening once more. So this is another video, and this is of System E, System EIO, I think is how you pronounce it. So it's like lead generation. So a lot of people ask, what is lead generation? So it's generating leads using a system or a sales funnel. So we'll learn more about that later on as we go through this. So this is kind of video lead generation for beginners. How all this sort of thing actually works. So it's System EIO. So it's going to be a review on that product. I use it myself, and a tutorial about it as well. So we're in the System EIO dashboard, which is it's the main dashboard here. So it's telling us how many leads have generated sales. There's affiliate program, so that's for the sales bit, and then the people that have subscribed. So if we go in the affiliate dashboard, I've not started promoting them, but it's mainly for our own business that I use this for. So how do we build an email list? Well, here's our page. This is designed by us using System E, and then it's a place where somebody puts their email in, and then after that they get automated emails, so we'll send them out every 2 days. So having a sales funnel is really important, and how to build an email list, but we do that all for you. So that's inside our program, which the link will be in the description. So make sure this isn't on pause. Sometimes it does that and it cuts my voice off. So if you go into contacts, and it's just a list of the the contacts and email when they registered. And if you go into funnel, you do need a sales funnel, which if you know about that, you can go here and create. But the program does it all for you. So that's the actual funnel, the page that I loaded up. So it's important to track leads for marketing purposes and sales. So what all these bits here, like SEO, it's on Google and YouTube profile, and one of the other videos I've done, and then Reddit and different, so we know how many clicks there. So if how to create a page, just say for example, we were having Udimi, which I've got a video on that as well, which is a marketplace for solo ads. So that's renting someone's email list, and then they give you clicks. And important thing that you're sort of building your email list, and sales comes after that, but sometimes instantly. So how we would do that is that's going to be the link. It's going to be the same page that is. It's cloned, and you save the funnel by going there. It's quite unusual how this is set up, that you go to automations and rules, and then you come down here. There's quite a lot of different pages, and you go to edit, and then you add the trigger, which is funnel step from subscribe. When they actually subscribe, it'll be to your funnel, and what we've just created, Udimi, and it's saying when they subscribe to a campaign, they get the automated emails. It's all in automation, and that will just happen instantly. And that is how you get a link, if it's Facebook or Instagram, whatever you want to create, that's how you actually do it. But the most important thing is really the automated follow-up and getting the emails in the inbox. If you come into a program, we teach you how to get your own domain name and hosting and how to set that up so it always goes in people's inbox. A newsletter is separate to the automated follow up where you can just send an email out, so you can learn email marketing from us, how to build your email list and do that. And statistics is quite well. It's the percentage of opened up, which is quite high, and it tells you the open rates. This would be quite good because they're going into people's um, inbox. It's really about the system and the follow up and really just letting it do the work. So that the main thing is that you just get people to opt in and then we'll do the rest. So this is really an overview of how System EIO works, and with our program we build your system using System EIO, and it is actually a lot cheaper than the other auto responder. So this is really important. Lead generation and the system using System EIO is the place to be. So if you want to take a look around, then please do so. Thanks for watching or listening rather. Bye bye for now.